Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of kindergarten with Mrs. R. Today we're working on a Backpack Bear reading and writing workbook. So go ahead and grab that now. You're also going to need a pencil to do the activities in the book. All right, let's go ahead and open to page 46 and 47. So a 46 is a 4 and a 6. We're getting towards the back of the book here, you guys. We're soon going to be done. Can you believe it? All right, let's take a look today. Today we're going to label the pictures with the words in our word bank here on the left side of our page. So we need to take a look, excuse me. Let's take a look at some of our pictures, and that's going to help us figure out what words need to go in each of the boxes. So let's see here. This arrow is pointing to a pig. This arrow is pointing to a fish. This arrow is pointing to a number 6. This arrow is pointing to a pin. And this arrow is pointing to a mitt, like a baseball mitt. Okay, and this arrow is pointing to a dish. So now we need to take a look at the words on the side here. So let's look at our first one. Let's sound this word out. D, I, and then SH says sh, dish. Let's see if we can find where this goes. Oh, I see it right here, dish. So let's go ahead and label this word with the word dish. And I'm going to cross that off as we go. Now remember, SH says sh. So let's sound out this word. Ish, fish. Oh, we know where that one's at, don't we? So let's go ahead and neatly write the word fish right from here onto the line, because this box goes with this arrow that's pointing to the fish. Let's sound out our next word. Now, remember when Mrs. R said when you have two of the same letters together, they make one sound. You don't make that sound twice, you just make it once. Let's sound it out. It, mit. We don't say it, that would sound weird. Mit, we say mitt, okay? Like as in a baseball mitt. And we know that we found a mitt over here when we looked earlier in our picture. So we're just gonna trace that word mitt right on the line here. Make sure we put a little dot for our eye. We don't want a great big dot, just a nice small dot that we can see. Let's sound out our next word, pig, pig. Oh, we know that's up here because we saw that earlier, didn't we? So writing in our best handwriting, we're gonna write the word pig. And let's see here, let's sound out this next word, pin. And we know we saw a pin over here. This is like a safety pin. Sometimes we use those to in our clothes, or we use them to put things, keep two pieces of something together. So I'm going to write pin. Don't get that confused with a pen. That's something we write with. A pin is something different. And of course, the last word, let's sound it out. Six. And then we know the number 6 is right here, don't we? And then again, in our best handwriting, write the word 6. Wonderful. Now, if you need some more time to write these words, go ahead and take all the time you need by pressing pause. All right, great job of labeling pictures. Let's go ahead and we'll go clockwise, like a clock arms on the clock go around. We'll start, how about we start here? We'll start with this first word and let's read the words together. Ready? Here we go. Dish, mitt, pin, 6, fish, pig. Very good, everyone. All right, we're going to slide on over to our next page. It says, listen, then write the word. So Mrs. R is going to say a word, and I'm going to point to the box that you're going to write it in, and you're going to write the sounds you hear when you hear me say the word. So in box number 1, and you can see a number 1, this is a picture of a mixer. Write the word mix. X. Write down the sound you hear. X. Mix. Okay. This next picture, the arrow is pointing to the hip. Hip. Okay. So let's get ready to write that word. Here we go. Hip. Hip. Okay. Now let's go to number 3. This is a picture of a pig. So we're going to write the sounds we hear when we say the word really slowly and stretch out the sounds in the word pig. P, I, G, pig, pig. We know that P says P, I says I, and G says G. Okay, pig. Now here on the bottom in box number 4, this arrow is pointing to the fin on a shark. Fin. So let's listen to the sounds. F, I, which is I, N, which is N. I, N, fin. Okay. Number 5, this is a jar and it's pointing to the lid. Okay, let's go ahead and sound out this word together. L, which is L, I, which is D, and D, which is D. L, I, D, lid. Okay, last one, number 6. This is a picture of a bib. A picture of a bib. So let's listen to the first sound, B, B, which is B, B, I, which is I, B, I, B, B, which again is another B, B, I, B, bib. Very good, everyone. For writing the sounds you hear, let's go ahead and take a look at these pictures again, and let's read these words one more time. Now, before you do that, if you need more time to write the words, go ahead and press pause and join us when you're ready. Here we go. X, mix. Hip, hip. Pig, pig. Fin. Lid, lid. Bib. Very good. So we listened and wrote sounds that we heard to build words, and we also were able to read and label pictures today. So very good. All right, boys and girls, great job working today in your reading and writing notebook. And so until next time, I wish you all a great day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye, everyone.